boys.
Hello, today I'm playing Modern Combat 5. So, let's see, what's this? I don't see what you're supposed to upgrade. Whatever. Let's play some multiplayer. Oh, really? Really, boy? Really? Okay. I really want some combat packs. So let's just do that. I might play music during some of the gameplay, but maybe not. So yeah, because it's kind of hard to hear me right now. So because you probably can't hear me right now too good. So yeah, come on. Wow, really? I might take my mic out and like not use the headphones, just like use it like normal. But the problem with that is there's a lot of noises going on, so it's not gonna work. So let's just go around this way, see what we have. Ooh. They don't know I'm stalking them. Yeah, let's check this out. Yep, explosive kill. Alright. Just moving through. Oh man. I'm stuck. It's glitching out. I can't move. Boy, come on. Oh, he's shooting me anyway. Okay. Yep, he got me. Man. He's in Gold League, so whatever. I don't actually care because he's really good. Okay, I'm gonna deploy. My connection's good, so hopefully I won't get disconnected from the server. So yeah. I think I saw some there. Okay, I hear some stuff going on. Just a sec. I need to say something online. Yeah, I'm screen recording. Yeah, I'm screen recording. Please get off the call. Okay. Sorry, I just had to deal with this annoying guy. He's always wanting to chat with me. I just rammed into the wall. That was actually kind of funny. All right. Wow. Another headshot. Nice. Okay. Okay, what you doing, boy? Nope. They're getting harsh. Oh man. Wow, that was kind of mean. Wow. I had like a sniper or whatever, a card chip pack at 280. I don't know the guns. Speaking of that, I might make a video about the guns in this game. Who's it? No! Boy, how is he teleporting? No, he threw a grenade. I will too. Another one. another one, and another one. Come on. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, wow. Boy, you have a clown face. I just got killed by clown face. Wow. He's like a freaking sweet potato. Sweet potato. I stole the guy's kill. Hashtag LOL. No. Oi, oi, oi. Whoa, where's that coming from? Okay. Wait. Like, I just like got an instant kill on them. Bam! I got killed too. Wow. No, come on. Come on. Yes! Oh no, he's going in the, no, man, I wanted to get him. Ooh, nice gun. No. Oh, okay. What is this gun? Where's the gun? It's a card. Oh, what? Come on! I got killed by the same gun I just got. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Oh, did you see that name? Did you see that name? It was like W Weed. Okay. Ah, nice. Feels good. Okay. Oh crap. Okay. Making my life horrible, bro. Okay. Boy, I hate grenades. Okay. I'll see you guys later. Wait, just want to show you something.